Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync WhatsApp contacts with phone contacts. First, let's ensure WhatsApp has the necessary permissions. Go to your phone settings and check app permissions for WhatsApp. Make sure your phone's contact list is current and all desired contacts are saved correctly. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth synchronization process. We will cover more specific steps in the next slides. To grant WhatsApp access, open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications, then find WhatsApp in the list. Select it and then navigate to Permissions. Here, ensure the contact's permission is toggled on. This allows WhatsApp to read your phone's address book, which is essential for displaying your contacts within the app. Without this, syncing cannot occur. Once permissions are set, open WhatsApp. Tap the green chat bubble icon in the bottom right corner to start a new chat. On the new contact screen, you will see 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Tap these dots, then select Refresh. This action prompts WhatsApp to rescan your phone's address book and update its internal contact list, bringing in any new or updated contacts. If contacts still aren't syncing, first ensure all contacts are saved to your phone's main Google or iCloud account, not just locally. Sometimes, a simple phone restart can resolve temporary software issues. As a last resort, you can try uninstalling and then reinstalling WhatsApp. Remember to back up your chats before doing so. This often fixes persistent syncing problems by resetting the app's data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.